friend. Today we are going to see center tap full wave rectifier. Rectifier is a circuit which convert AC supply to pulsating DC. First we will see the circuit diagram. Circuit diagram is shown below. Here a single phase AC supply is applied to the primary terminals of transformer. These are the primary terminals of transformer, and secondary terminal of transformer is connected to diode D1 and D2, and the combination from the cathode of diode and diode D2 is connected to load resistance RL, which is connected back to the common terminal. Here the transformer which is used is a center tap step down transformer. It is converting high voltage to low voltage with a center tap. Working is divided into two parts. First one is for positive half cycle, input positive half cycle, and second is for input negative half cycle. We will see the first case, that is input positive half cycle. In this case, A will be positive and E will be negative. With respect to common, A will be positive and E will be negative. As A is positive, which is connected to the anode of diode D1, so diode D1 will be forward bias, and E, which is connected to the anode of diode D2 will be reverse bias. As it is forward bias, it will act as a short circuit, and diode D2 will act as a open circuit. So after applying the positive half cycle, circuit will look in the following manner. Diode D1 will be forward bias and it will act as a short circuit, and diode D2 will act as an open circuit. Now we know that current always flow from higher potential towards lower potential. So here, as A is positive and E is negative with respect to common, current start flowing from A to diode D1, then to point B, then it will flow through load resistance RL, then it will go towards the common terminal. In this way circuit will be completed. Here we can see that current flows from RL in top to bottom manner. Now we will see the second case. In second case, negative half cycle is being applied. So terminal A will be negative with respect to common terminal, and terminal E will be positive with respect to common terminal. As A is connected to the anode of diode D1 will be reverse bias and it will act as a open circuit, and as E is connected to anode of diode D2, it will be forward bias and it will act as a short circuit. And so here is the explanation for the negative half cycle, and the diagram will look like this. Here diode D1 will be open circuit and diode D2 will be short circuit. Again we know that current always flows from higher potential towards the lower potential. So E here is the higher potential, so current start flowing from E, then to diode D2, then to D terminal, then towards the C terminal, then from C terminal it will go through RL. Again you can see the direction of current, again it is from up towards the down direction through the load resistance RL. Again it will go to the common terminal. In this way circuit is being completed. Now we will see the waveforms. Now here are the waveforms shown. For positive half cycle we are getting the output across the RL, and for negative half cycle also we are getting the output across the load resistance RL, but the direction of current flowing through positive half cycle as well as negative half cycle was same, and that was in positive way. So it is known as full wave rectifier. Hence it is known as full wave rectifier.